Now you will learn how to trade Forex on Binance and also on other platforms that provide additional benefits such as better rewards or lower trading fees all the way to 0%. That's why I will leave you links in the description right here below my video for different trading platforms with amazing welcome rewards. If you check out for example BYBIT right here, you notice that it provides some of the best welcome rewards for our YouTube subscribers. Now let's talk about Forex trading on Binance and what is Forex trading all about. There is a broad definition and then a typical Forex leverage trading definition. By a broad definition, Forex simply means trading one currency to another. For example, trading US dollar into Canadian dollars, Colombian pesos, British pound, euros or whatever currencies. This is not the most common definition of Forex trading, but it's a broad one. I will show you the most common type of Forex trading in a moment. But first, let me show you how you can do this currency Forex trading on Binance. There are two options: Binance Spot right here on the trade and spot, and here on the Binance peer-to-peer, which is found here on trade and peer-to-peer. For example, here on the spot you can type on the right hand side euro, and then you are able to trade between euros and USDT, which usually has the value of $1 US. Here you are able to trade by scrolling down a little bit. You can choose here market order, you scroll this one to the right, you click here buy euros, and that's how you execute the orders. And in the same way, if you want to sell, you simply scroll this one to the right, click here sell euro, and that's how it's done. Now when you come here to the peer-to-peer, you will find much more fiat currencies, also known as government currencies. Just to give you some examples here, if we search for Indian rupee, you will find it here. Then there is Filipino peso, US dollar, euro, British pound, so many different ones. And here the trading pair will typically be USDT. You can also choose other ones such as BTC, USDC and many other cryptocurrencies, but USDT typically gives the best rate. For example, if you have USDT on your Binance account, you can click here sell and then you can trade it into Indian rupee. Or if you happen to have Filipino peso accounts, you can do that. Or let's say euro accounts. And here you are able to do this kind of currency exchange, which is a broad definition of Forex trading. But now let's talk about typical Forex trading, which you can find on BYBIT, MEXC and other platforms. Typically when people talk about Forex trading, they mean contract trading with CFD products or futures trading, where is a high leverage that you can also possibly adjust, and you are speculating on the price instead of buying currencies directly. Because when you use Binance peer-to-peer or Binance Spot, you are buying currencies directly. But when we talk about typical Forex trading, you are simply speculating on the price, and if you trade correctly, you make a win. If you trade wrong, you make a loss. And when we talk of typical Forex trading, these other platforms like MEXC, BITGET, BYBIT provide much more and better opportunities than Binance. Because let me show you here on Binance at the moment. If we come to futures trading, you can find it here on the futures. I'm now here on the futures, and then I hover my mouse right here, and here is the TradFi, which stands for traditional finance. Here you can find at the moment, for example, gold, silver and stock trading, but at the moment of recording this video there is no Forex trading on the futures. Maybe they will add Forex trading pairs in the future like other trading platforms are doing, but at the moment of recording this video you must use other platforms if you want to do real Forex trading, and that's why I will leave you links for BYBIT and MEXC and for BITGET in the description right here below my video. Let me show you more details on forex trading on these other platforms, starting from BYBIT. Because if we talk about the top crypto exchanges in the world, BYBIT was the first one to launch real forex and TradFi trading on crypto platforms. And when I hover my mouse right here, you will see TradFi, traditional finance, and here is forex, metal, stocks, indices, commodities. You can see much more trading pairs than on Binance, so much more opportunities. Of course, better welcome rewards as well, as I mentioned to you in the beginning. BYBIT also regularly arranges events where they give extra rewards for forex traders. You can see here TradFi versus crypto, for example. You can see here all the details of people that are getting rewarded. Here on the left hand side you can choose your trading pairs, for example Australian dollars, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Singaporean dollar, euro, even rare currencies like Czech koruna, Danish krona, Hungarian forint and much more. You can see here they support so many different forex trading pairs. And when you will click the first link in the description below my video, you will land on the BYBIT registration page where you see the details of your welcome rewards, and you can create your free account and click here get my welcome gifts. Just for the example purposes, I have also received nice rewards on BYBIT through different events over the years. So BYBIT events really work. At the moment when I'm recording this video on Sunday, the forex trading is closed because it trades 24/5, so typically from Monday to Friday on the weekdays. And that's very typical for forex trading platform, that they only allow the trading 5 days a week. However, there are some exceptions where you are able to trade forex type products even on Sundays. Let me show you here MEXC Exchange. They have typically the lowest fees in the entire industry. Just to give you an idea, they have spot trading, many trading pairs with zero fees. In fact, hundreds of trading pairs with zero fees. When we go to futures, they have also typically the lowest fees in the entire industry. You can see here zero fee fast trade hot pairs with zero fees. On MEXC you can find forex trading pairs by coming here into futures. Then you can click for USDTM. You can use the search bar right here. Type here for example CHF, which is Swiss franc against US dollar. Here you can find euro, British pound, Canadian dollar and many other forex trading pairs. Then you will find them here as perpetual futures, and you are able to change the leverage easily by scrolling this one to the right or left. Many other forex trading platforms may not allow trading on Sundays and adjusting leverage so easily, so MEXC definitely provides lots of flexibility for people who want to trade forex. Here you can choose your order type, for example market, scroll this one and then click here open long or open short. Then you will see your order here on the bottom as open positions, and you are able to close it by clicking this one right here. Let me give you an example of another trading pair. I choose here euro versus USDT. Then I scroll this one, I click here open long, and you can see filled completely, and we can see the trade right here on the bottom. My recommendation is of course to avoid such crazy leverage as 20x. You can see here my own Bitcoin trades have a leverages of 3x and 5x, which I think is much more reasonable than 20x. So let me close the forex trade right here to finish the example. So MEXC is definitely great for those of you who like flexibility and who like zero fees. Then BITGET TradFi is also one of the best forex platforms. You can see here BITGET is ranked at the moment in top 5 of the biggest and the best crypto exchanges in the world, along with BYBIT and other ones, and they also provide forex trading. You can see here trade gold, forex and more. You can find it on BITGET by hovering your mouse to futures, and then you click here CFD USD. It will take you right here where you are able to change your trading pairs by hovering your mouse to the left, and here you can choose Forex. You can see that there are so many different trading pairs available. At the moment of recording this video on Sunday, the market is closed as it is on most Forex trading platforms, and tomorrow on Monday it will be open again. When you want to change your trading pairs, you can simply click right here, and then on the right hand side you will execute your trades. Buy or sell, market or limit. You can choose the quantity here and open the trades when the markets are open, and you can see your trades here on the bottom in the open positions. Now you have seen in practice that other platforms including BITGET, MEXC and BYBIT provide much more Forex trading opportunities than Binance, and that's why you will find all the links and resources in the description right here below the video with amazing welcome rewards. You can get started by clicking here right away.